Hello guys, welcome once again to my vlog. Um, Today I'm going to a place near Kalyan. It's a place called Tahuli Peak. Um, it's a it's a tough trek. Like it's like around 4.5 hours, 4.5 hours to reach the top. One of the toughest that I have participated yet. And the base village is Kushauli, where we'll be meeting. Like there are around 17 to 18 trekkers, and we'll be meeting there, and then we'll be proceeding further. So I'll be joined by my friend Delna, whom I'll be meeting in Sakinaka, and then we'll proceed further. So see you. Bye. So guys, we have reached which dhaba? Rani Dhaba?
Hotel Rani Rama.
Hotel Rani Dhaba. So this is the first meetup point where, and we have this is the group. They have come in a bus, and these are our guides. So from here we'll be leaving in some time after having some breakfast, some tea, coffee, and then it's 35 minutes from here. That is what they said, right? So Navely, yeah. So catch you then. So we have started our trek. We have just had our breakfast and now we are heading to a lake where we will have a small briefing and then some instructions and then we start our trek.
चलो गाइस फॉल सर्कल में आ जाओ. ये पप्पी बहुत टाइम ले रहे हैं सबका, आ जाओ.
So guys, we have started our trek. बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया है और अब हमको पहुंचना है
ये चोटी पे है.
वहाँ पर, वो स्पॉट पे. सब लोग डरा दिया है इसे डिफ़िकल्ट ट्रैक करके. सो आई टोल्ड एलना दैट इन केस आई एम नॉट एबल टू मेक इट,
आई कैन कैरी हिज बैग.
तो शी कैन फाइंड मी समवेयर सिटिंग हियर व्हाइल कमिंग बैक. Delna still going strong.
यू आर ऑल्सो स्टिल गोइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग. अभी तो ये शुरुआत.
आपका शूलेस में
हाँ मैं बांधती.
ये आगे में पीछे खुला है ना, ये पीछे खुला है.
ट्रेजेडी.
बिग ट्रेजेडी.
रुक जाओ, आते से निकल, यहाँ से जा.
Delna, how's the Josh? Exhausted. So when are you going to Himalaya next?
First I need to work out daily.
Do one thing. Do this trip every month twice for the next 3 months.
You need to come along.
I will. Hi guys. It's a very tough trek. Read about the reviews. There were many people who had mentioned about the track being very tough, track being very tiring. But never imagined that it's going to be this way. And as you could see, unfortunately, my shoes also got jammed up both ways. And luckily, I had carried extra socks. So one of the guides, they had some straps which I had tied up. And now still we have to go uphill. Maybe another 1 hour. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but the view up there, how can I miss that? Go. So guys, we are almost
halfway.
more than halfway up. After the steep climb,
behind.
this is somewhat a flat surface. So we'll be resting here for some time and then we go there. So, charging our batteries. That's Delna going to fill some water, some fresh water.
ये है क्या पानी? हाँ बाड़ी
You pay money for a distillery and here you have a natural pure full of minerals.
वो भी ऐसा ही है वो रॉक्स होते ही
चलो
See how high we already got.
संभल के हैं?
हाँ बस अभी खुल गया. Now enjoy the views.
Forest over?
Yeah. Now it's all towards the ridge. रॉक्स पे भी केयरफुल, स्लिपरी हो सकता है. लास्ट
Okay
नहीं, लास्ट नहीं होगी.
we started our trek somewhere behind that rock
बस
and
ऊपर.
uphill
with all the
and
greenery.
नहीं
with
नहीं
all,
नहीं.
yeah, this is the forest. We
Credibility
just crossed
यार
this forest
हमारी,
and we are
बोलते हैं, 20-25 मिनट.
almost on the top and now we have to go
चलो हो गया फोटोज, चले.
up there.
ए कौन बोला था एक ही सेब है? साले सब सेब वाले हैं, बहुत चीटर.
Guys, that's a 360 view from the top. This is what we would have missed if we
We would have not come.
had gone back.
Given.
Yes, given up.
But finally we were ahead of everyone.
Hmm?
We were ahead of everyone.
Yeah. To start with,
Split
like
second.
it was the, I mean, we were the last
Yeah.
to climb this mountain, and
second
by the time we reached here, we were the first. Yeah.
उधर भी फ्लावर्स मस्त है, वो भी मस्त एरिया है यहाँ पे, बट लंबा है.
हाँ.
नहीं तो नाइट ट्रैक करना पड़ेगा यही पे.
के बाद तो मस्त मजा आ जाता.
वो जो ग्रुप बना था मैट्रिमोनी के लिए,
हाँ.
सब भक्तों ने फोटो भी खींचा.
हाँ. फिर
किसी ने उसको बोला नहीं कि भक्त ने ऐसा फोटो डाला था. मुझे पहचान रिवर्स मारना.
20 मिनट.
20
मिनट था ये.
she's
आ
gassed
गए,
out.
ये टॉप पे बस खत्म. नो लाइट. ऑल गुड.
Yes.
क्या है ये?
मैंने नो बोला।
शक्ल शक्ल देखो शक्ल
ये संभालना वहाँ पे एकदम नहीं नहीं
राम बाबा की समाधि
पैर मत डाल।
यहीं पर आराम से सो रहे हैं
बोला था ना
वो। ये देखिए,
लॉन्ग जंप लेके आओ।
जय बाबा की।
सर नॉट फ्रॉम देयर आई हैव मेड अ रूट देयर इज नो रूट हियर गुड जॉब क्लैप फॉर योरसेल्फ बस थोड़ा और ऊपर आ गया
हाँ?
अभी टॉप
You can take her picture if you have.
या श्योर।
ये आ गया अभी कहाँ है?
I'm that tired, guys. And it's 3:30 now. We'll be leaving by 3:45. So I'll take a quick nap and then go down.
Enjoy your sleep.
ये लोग काफी चढ़ रहे हो क्या?
वो हट में जाने वाला। चलो चलिए।
Jungle life.
Do you want to stay here?
Yeah, very much.
How long?
Become a monkey
Monkey.
and just swing around.
Swing.
दूसरा आएगा तो भी चलेगा.
हम्म।
This is too good, huh?
यूं ही चला चल रहा है।
Huh?
Awesome. ऐसे
Dense forest.
super.
They have marked this place. You can see this markings.
You just have to follow it.
Yes. Be careful.
Happy birthday, Dr. Subhash. Happy birthday to you. मतलब अब सबका खाना हो गया, चढ़ने का थकान का पार्ट हो गया।
अभी असली जरूरत है।
दे रहा है सब।
Thank you.
This goes to you from me.
हाँ? क्या बोला? दिलना तेरे को टार्जन वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है क्या जंगल में ना हाँ
कोई रूट्स होता है लंबे तो मैं लेटर केले के पत्ते
सही में कितना झाड़ है यार ओके गाइस वी आर समवेयर हाफ वे डाउन एंड
टी ब्रेक
it's not actually tea
ब्लैक टी
yes so some black tea and then we start our descent again so how was it Dana?
ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस
Great experience you almost gave it up in between
गिव इट अप इन स्टार्टिंग
in the beginning yeah in the
बट फाइनली वी कंप्लीटेड
guys it's a very difficult track it's seriously very difficult but maybe I'm not the lockdown like there was a lot of inactivity because of that also maybe we would have find it no but still so maybe because of that I found it difficult but it's worth it I mean it's worth going to the top there are many moments in between like like as Delna said like we thought of quitting and we thought of coming back but luckily like we managed to reach the top and it
The
was
top view was
it was amazing it was too good
हाँ ईशान ये ले भाई तेरी अमानत तुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा बट तेरी मम्मी
गलती से किसको बोला ना ये ट्रैक पे जाओ
क्या बोल रहा है भाई No, not with mud. Let the mud be empty. You can't do so much.
How does mud get into it, man?
With the water.
Whatever you can do, man. As long as it looks like me and the Paul. Only don't make him look like me. It's cold, huh?
नहीं ये इधर जा
If you kiss him, he'll become a prince. Sorry. Just joking.
You kiss that frog, it will become a prince. Kiss that frog, it will become a prince.
आ जाओ चलेगा? No, he was taking your pictures.
नहीं go. reaching to our base village very soon in another 15 to 20 minutes. It's getting dark.